हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू सनारू व्लॉग्स, यानी ठीक 11 बजे वाला व्लॉग. एंड टुडेज व्लॉग विल बी टोटली इन इंग्लिश, सो लेट्स सी. एंड मीनवाइल आई एम रेडी फॉर ऑफिस, so let's move ahead towards the office. And if we talk about today's weather, so you can see it's a very clear sky and it's a bright sunny day, so you can see the sun also. And see what Nero is doing over here. She is cutting leaves for our chickens, and you can see that she is using a huge knife for cutting this. So what would you like to say about this knife?
Nothing.
So guys, it's time for lunch, and today we are having rice plus pulses, and we have green leafy vegetable along with coconut chutney. Actually I don't know whether chutney is English or it's Hindi or it's a common. So anyways, let's have lunch, and after that we'll take Daniel for tuition classes, है ना? School? No, after lunch we'll go for tuition. Why are you crying, Golu? Huh? Why are you crying? Okay, let's go for tuition. Tata. So finally guys, I am back to home, and today it was a very tiring day at my office because there was lots of work to do today. So anyways, let me change and get myself refreshed, and after that we'll meet once again. So now I have changed my clothes and it's time to eat an apple. And guys, along with this apple I'll spend my time in watching some of the vlogs. So see you later. And to be very honest with you guys, today I am facing some difficulties in recording this vlog because I am trying my best to record this vlog completely in English. So anyways, meanwhile I am enjoying my apple, and usually after the office I spend some of my time by watching the vlogs. And while recording all this, I have a doubt in my mind that how long would be this vlog, because you all know that I am recording the whole vlog in English. So anyways, let's see. And next week will be very tiring for me because I have to be out of city, because on 21st of this month one of my friend will be celebrating first birthday of his daughter, so I have to be there. And hopefully 21st I'll be at Kapurthala, and on 22nd we have an invitation for marriage, and for that I have to be in Jalandhar. So next week will be very busy schedule for me. So during my journey I'll try my best to share some interesting vlog, as I will be traveling to Punjab. So let's see what there will be for the next week. And here is Neeru. She is kneading the dough. See what Daniel is doing. He is having some crackers, and we are going to burn all this. Okay, Daniel? So let's go, Daniel. Come. And here he jumps. Okay, let's go. So see, Nero is preparing egg roll for Daniel. है ना? Daniel will eat it, है ना? So what will Daniel eat? Today Daniel will eat egg roll.
Egg roll.
So guys, time for dinner, and tonight we are having chapati with grams and chutney. So finally guys, it's time to wind up today's vlog, and hopefully you loved it. If you loved it, so please do like, share and comment. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, so please go and subscribe our channel. So see you guys tomorrow with another new vlog. Meanwhile, thank you for watching this. Good night, tata, bye bye.